Hi friends, it's Jay from Sweet Softies. Today I'm going to be giving you a pattern preview of my tiny teddy doll. As you can see, it's an adorable little bear that can sit on his own. He's got two chubby little feet that go right in front and help him balance. If you'd like to make him, he's a free pattern on my blog along with the other two dollies here. They're part of a new line of sitting dolls that I have, and they can all support their own body weight sitting upright, so they make great little desk buddies. And be sure to check out all their free patterns on my blog. Meanwhile, let's take a closer look at the Tiny Teddy project. This design was created so that he could have tiny little arms, making him look more cute and adorable. And he involves sewing techniques because you will be crocheting the pieces individually and sewing them onto the doll's body. You can also add a little felt muzzle here. I just cut a circle of felt from a tiny scrap and use embroidery thread and a needle to sew the nose and the mouth shape directly from the muzzle into the head. So there's that. And this cute little guy is sure to make a great gift, or you can make an adorable little keychain too. And you can experiment making him with thicker yarns or thinner yarns to make different sizes. Alright, hope you'll enjoy this free pattern on my blog. Be sure to check it out and hit the subscribe button for more. Thanks so much and happy crocheting. Bye now.